Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss the follow-ups for describe a sport that you only have watched before but you have not played yourself. So the first question is, what kind of sports would you like to play in the future? Not that you're playing now, that is the present. The future is what you will do next. Okay? Well, I've always been interested in trying rock climbing. It seems such an exhilarating and challenging sport. The strength and agility it must take to scale those walls is really impressive to me. I'm also intrigued by the mental focus it requires. So, exhilarating, very exciting. Rock climbing is a very exciting sport. It's a very dangerous sport as well. Okay, so you need maximum focus. One mistake and you can fall down the cliff. Second question is, why are there many athletes in advertisements? Advertisers use famous athletes because they are aspirational figures. Aspirational figures, someone whom you aspire to be, that people, especially young fans, look up to and want to emulate, copy. Having a sports star endorse a product automatically makes it seem cooler and desirable. Athletes like Virat Kohli embody positive traits like discipline, determination, and a competitive spirit that brands want associated with their products. Okay, so athletes like Virat Kohli embody discipline. How do you get into that much shape if you are not going to be disciplined enough? Okay, to be a top tier sportsman, you have to be disciplined. You have to be hardworking. Okay. Third question is, what are the features of people who watch sports games online, such as gender or age? So this question is asking about features. Features not in terms of like what their height or weight is. Features in terms of gender. Gender means male, female, okay, and age. What is the age? Okay. I think the demographics of online sports viewers tend to skew younger and more male dominated. A lot of younger guys in their teens and late 20s are really into streaming games and following their favorite teams that way. However, as online viewing becomes more spread, you're starting to see more diversity in the audience across gender and age ranges. Okay, as people are watching more sports online, many other people are also watching. Females are also watching. Like recently in the IPL, we have a women's Premier League edition. So people are also watching. Females love the WPL. Okay. Fourth question is, what is the most popular sport in your country? Definitely, cricket is the most popular sport by a significant margin. The game has a massive following and is often considered a religion in the country. It enjoys extensive coverage in the media. Major cricket events are broadcasted on prime channels and receive top billing in sports news. Okay, billing means viewership. Everybody watches that. Fifth and the last question is, what kind of sports are popular now but not popular 50 years ago? Well, a few sports that come to mind are skateboarding, snowboarding, and frisbee. Frisbee is like a disc that you throw. They were just fun activities decades ago but have exploded in popularity more recently, especially among the younger generations. Things like the X Games and social media help propel their rise and cement them as mainstream sports with professional leagues with huge fan bases. Okay, X Games are extreme games. So on ESPN, we had an extreme sports kind of a show on which they showed X Games. Okay, so this was the follow-ups for describe a sport that you only have watched before but you have not played yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button